Hey guys, today I'm with my sisters. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for the background, but I'm doing another video. Today I'm doing a mukbang with my two sisters, Heaven
and Delilah.
And we got spicy chicken salad. I don't know, we never tried this, so and we all got waffle fries.
Y'all got the Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yes.
Okay.
So
I see it on TikTok. People say it's good.
for all the sauces. We only got 2 different kinds of sauce. I told my mom to get every sauce. What kind is this? But I was waiting for this sauce. So we got burger.
Oh.
They come in there. Oh, I can't wait to try it.
I don't really like their fries.
I like it. So
I'm gonna eat it, but I don't know. As soon as I drank
this
the
so good.
lemonade, something came in my mouth like pupil. It's okay, but it was a really, really big chunk.
What?
From the lemon.
This reminds me of barbecue sauce.
Those little things.
This barbecue sauce is
And then we can't see. She hoped her to be found.
so these are pretty good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
This is not better than McDonald's McChicken. I'm gonna just say that. Because I love McDonald's McChicken. And that's
I think McDonald's is the best fast food place.
my favorite sauce every time I go to McDonald's is
These french fries is not better than
matter of
McDonald's.
fact, I did try Chick-fil-A because my mom got some type of food from Chick-fil-A. We had the garlic in her ranch.
Oh, I never tried that. It's my first time. I really wanted to try it. And now I'm trying it today, but this bread looks so soft. And there's the spicy chicken. And it got 2 pickles on it that is
Oh, I like mayonnaise on mine.
me too. But
I think McDonald's better than all fast food.
let's try it with this onion because I don't know.
It's fresh
This
butter.
garlic in her ranch is the bomb. Wait. Mm-mm. It's not crunchy like it would be at McDonald's. If I order a chicken sandwich from McDonald's, it would be so crunchy. I haven't ate McDonald's in a while, so. But this is really.
Y'all can't get this one. Y'all, should we go to the beach? I don't know.
Yeah.
I really
I really want to go to the beach.
How am I tasting corn?
So, sorry about that, but
Someone called.
yeah. We just gonna do a mukbang, but what's it called?
Seafood.
Seafood.
I cook the seafood. I cook the goodest seafood in the world. Like I should really try my stuff.
Okay, I got some.
Better than Be Love. I'm just kidding. I never tried Be Love sauce, so I don't know. I wish.
I got some good.
This honey mustard
That
bussin'.
crunchy though.
This ranch bussin'. Now I wanna try the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh,
Okay,
I don't even
Chick-fil-A.
have honey mustard.
Did you have honey mustard? That's honey mustard.
Yes, sir. They do have honey mustard. I dropped mine, so I was trying to put on cheese in there.
Oh my goodness, that's a big old piece. big sister, y'all.
I don't really like the
Yeah, me,
I like the one. It's really good.
I really don't like barbecue sauce, and I can taste barbecue sauce inside of the Chick-fil-A sauce, and
I know, that's not like it. Honey mustard is my favorite.
You don't like the honey mustard?
I don't
I
like this
really,
thing.
the honey mustard is good. It's busting, like, for real though. I just like it's just the Chick-fil-A sauce.
this and the ranch. Yes. Yes.
It's hot though.
Chick-fil-A sauce is a bomber, like, for real though. Man. Everybody on TikTok was like, try that. Try it.
So we was watching. Well,
Y'all should watch the next step. It's really good.
so now we're gonna try the honey mustard with this since I didn't think it tastes good. How did you get this much?
I really like this honey mustard sauce. I'm gonna mix my sauce with the honey mustard and the ranch. What? That's really good. Girl, quit playing with a head.
I just.
Evan, did you want to try the ranch?
No, you should try the ranch with this one. It's so good.
It's not like normal ranch. It's garlic ranch and it's so good. Well, garlic and butter.
Guys, I like how they have their fries because they have broccoli fries and McDonald's and everywhere else they don't have like different types of fries like this.
Burger King.
Don't give me a napkin.
Oh,
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
try the ranch now.
I dance when I eat. So,
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna give you all the sauces.
Yeah, we don't
Yeah,
put
then.
in this. I'll put this
this boy texted me like 2 days ago. And I texted him back. So that's what he texted me. And then 2 days later, he goes text me, are you busy? Are you busy? You didn't text me. Like, what? That was too air. Oh my goodness, it was so funny what she said. I'm not gonna repeat it. No, he's not having.
Thank y'all guys for watching. We're gonna just continue eating our food. Bye guys. Love you guys. Make sure you like,
Bye.
comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit the post notification button.